Hello, people. Hello. Nick, get off. Today we got a lock in the shed. We're gonna open it. Now for the key. We're gonna see what's in the shed. I've never been in there. My grandma isn't home, so. Here, Nick, pick that up for me.
Okay.
No, Nick, pick up my iPod. It's right there. Don't step on it. Don't step on it. Okay, here it goes.
Ow!
Okay. Here, Nick, hold on to the key. Ready? Here goes my childhood. I'm scared. What if a monster is in there? Oh, a bike. Ooh, oh, this is my old scooter. Hi, old scooter. It broke. It was my. Pretty good. It was pretty good, I guess.
Hey, yeah, almost.
I had an MGP wheel. Just like that. MGP wheel. So it was a little. Had it for barely any time. Okay, well, Nicky, don't shut the door. Keep it like that, Nick. Okay, whatever. Well, here's the bike. Azumi it's rusty now, so it doesn't have a good tire. Just keep the door open. That's pretty much it. I don't get it. Well, Nicky's bike. Well, paint supplies. Let's see what this is. Wood filler. Ooh, white. It's white. Let's mess with some stew. It's a wood filler. I'm not sure what that is. Whatever it is, I don't care. We got some paint in here. I mean, to paint something. I don't know what to paint. Oh my God, washers or something like that. Oh my God, Nick, move! We found something good. We found something good.
Let's play it.
Washers. Yes, son.
Oh, it's
Washers. Let's see how we open this. Nick, let me do it. Rusty, huh? It looks like a treasure chest. Maybe there's something cool in there. What if there's like money from our old ancestors? Yeah, it's washers. Woo! Well, we did find something good today.
Hey, let's.
Can
I be the blue team?
Yeah, definitely. I hate blue. Okay, well, we're gonna play. We're called Shed Keepers.
Shed Keepers!
We go in people's sheds and find shit. Okay.
You have to try and put
Well,
it
here.
in that.
Okay, come on, Nick.
You have to try and put it in that thing.
I know. Here. There yours. They're like weights. Okay. Well, let's start, people. Nick, come back. You're probably not going to be able to see that moves go in there, so you're probably going to see us go in. Oh.
Now it's my turn.
Nick, you have to come back. You
Darn
have to
it.
come back.
Darn
Okay, my
it.
turn.
Darn it.
Oh, Nicky. Okay, well, Nicky won. Actually, hold on, Nick, don't touch him! Oh my freaking God! I got 0. 0, and he got 1. So,
I'm lucky.
okay, well, Nick, get all your
If I
things.
win, then.
Nick, get all your things. You ain't gonna win today. I'm gonna get this.
You
Nick, I'm better than you. I played this game long.
longer than me.
Nick, I played this game even before you were born. Okay, come on, Nick, back up. I go first. Go. Haha. My eyes closed. Oh, I did it with my eyes open. Damn. Okay, well, nobody won. What do we wash? Get all your washes. We're gonna go play one more game,
What?
and then we'll be done for a second. Walker. Hey, you go first. What you got? Red always goes
How
first.
you?
Red always goes first. Yep. Yeah. It's an innie and then an out. Nobody got it. Oh. Nobody got it again.
Okay.
Okay, well, this has been Shed Keepers. We'll be back tomorrow.
I won.